Hi there. In this video, we will take a look on how to create an account, verify it, deposit funds, and trade on Binance Exchange. To begin, please click the link below this video and you will be redirected into the Binance account creation page. If you are already there, make sure you enter the same referral ID you see on the video so you can enjoy a 10% commission back. Having done that, add your email and password and agree on the terms and conditions. Complete the security verification and head to your email to fetch the account verification code. Congratulations! Your account has been registered. You will be prompted to verify your account in order to achieve higher trading capacity. To do that, click Get Verified. Choose your country of residence, and you can add the basic personal information by clicking Verify Now under Basic. That option will provide you the following benefits. You can buy crypto and deposit fiat for up to $300 and withdraw the same amount in fiat. Your daily withdrawal limit will be 2 BTC, which based on the current Bitcoin price is about $70,000. For the majority of traders, that is more than enough. But if you wish to complete the intermediate personal verification, you can do that as well. And it will allow you to push limits to 500K monthly for buying, depositing, and withdrawing fiat. Additionally, the daily withdrawal limit will be increased to 100 Bitcoin. In this video, we will proceed with the basic verification. Choose your nationality, add your first and last name, and pick your date of birth. On the second step, add your street address, postal code, and city, and click Continue. Congrats! Your account has been verified. Now you can either proceed with an additional verification by adding more info and documents or proceed with depositing funds and trading. To deposit funds to your account, you have a few options. First, you can buy crypto. By scrolling over the Buy Crypto on the top left bar, you have options such as bank deposit, buying with credit or debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payments such as using Simplex and Bansa. Each option has its own fees. Now, in case you already own some cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is click on your wallet, which can be found on the top right of your toolbar. Click on Fiat and Spot. You will be given access to your wallet, and you can see what cryptocurrencies have been supported by Binance Exchange. Assuming that you owe cryptocurrencies on another exchange, you can transfer them by clicking Deposit. Click the Get Address and new address will be generated for you. Pay attention to which blockchain you will be using, as for many tokens more than one blockchain is available. Tether, for example, can be found in 4 blockchains: Binance Blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Blockchain, and Tron Network. If you choose the wrong address, your funds will be lost. So be extremely careful when you're transferring funds from one account to the other. In this video, we will deposit Tether using Tron Network because the fees compared to Ethereum Network are much cheaper. Copy your deposit address, add it to the sending address of your wallet or other exchange and send. Within 2 minutes, the funds will be in your account. Now that funds are in your account, you can proceed and start trading. Scroll over to Trade on the top bar menu and click Classic. There are also additional options like Convert, which allows you to instantly convert your cryptos to other cryptos, but I would suggest you use the Classic option. The first pair you will always see is the Bitcoin versus Tether. Since we have Tether, we can use it to buy some Bitcoin. Add the price you want to buy Bitcoin, the amount, or just scroll the bar below the amount to automatically populate the field base on the amount of Tether you hold and click Buy Bitcoin. Great! Now you have bought your first amount of Bitcoin. Binance offers a plethora of tokens that you can trade with. To find those tokens, you can click on the pairs available or search on the right side of the platform. Through there, you can click and find any token you are interested in trading. Binance also offers margin trading. To activate that form of trading, I suggest you watch the video and start the quiz they provide. You also have the option to skip it, but I strongly advise you do not. Do not try margin trading without understanding how it works. Additionally, Binance provides the option to trade futures. Futures are becoming very popular in crypto as it allows users to profit greatly, but it is also extremely risky, so be careful. Read the reminder above. Enter the referral code you see on your screen to save 10% and click Open Now. If you have already entered the referral code at the beginning of creating the Binance account, you are covered. If not, please enter it here. Congrats, your futures account is now open. I would suggest to take the quiz offered by Binance to better understand the platform prior trading. Currently, Binance Futures offers 7 pairs to trade with. Last but not the least, Binance offers Binance Earn, which allows users to stake their tokens and earn. The return of investment can vary depending on the token, but it's a secure way to earn money while your risk is minimal, especially in stable tokens. To start staking, click stake or transfer depending on the token. Choose the duration, the lot. For Tether 1 is equal to $100. Accept the terms and click transfer confirmed. It is that simple. Binance is the most popular crypto exchange, and for a good reason, as it offers a plethora of options for its users, from traditional trade to margin and future trading. Create an account today and trade carefully. For any questions, please comment below the video and I will get back to you. Good luck!